Welcome back to Business Highway. My name is Eric Cederberg, and we're here today on this beautiful summer day with a duo of the most iconic tributes to Ford race cars ever made, the RS200 and the Shelby Daytona Coupe. Alright, so first off, we have the Factory 5 Racing Shelby Daytona Coupe. Now Ford only built 6 of these back in the day, which makes this car even more special. It's got a 302 cubic inch Ford Mustang engine in it, very nice camshaft in it. It's got a 5-speed TKO transmission, and this car is street registered, driven on the street, to the track, on the track, and no matter where you go, it's going to be a tremendous head turner. And next up, a model that is no less iconic than the Shelby itself is the Ford RS200. As mentioned, this is a tribute car. Ford made very few of these as homologation cars for the Rally Series. This car does though have a Cosworth engine, makes about 400 wheel horsepower. It's got a G50 Porsche transmission, and just like the Shelby, not only is it a head turner, but it's also street registered. So don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own one or maybe even two of the most iconic tributes to Ford race cars, the RS200 and the Shelby Daytona Coupe. Make sure to check out both auctions, a ton of information, a ton of photos, and of course the video. And as always, good luck on the auction.